The only mammals which can fly is answer bird. Dash can change its color according to surrounding. Answer chameleons. Which is the largest reptiles? Answer saltwater crocodile. Which of the following is the largest lizard? Answer Komodo dragons. Which of the following is the smallest bird? Answer hummingbird. Which is the biggest flightless bird? Answer ostrich. Which bird is used as a symbol of love and peace? Answer dove. Which of the following does not make a nest of its own? Answer cuckoo birds. Which bird has the fastest flight speed? Answer peregrine falcons. Which bird is the official mascot for the Goa 2020 National Games? Answer Ruby Gula.